This is Montani 60 centimeter multifunction oven, model MOB2X. The design of this oven is black glass, which is easy for cleaning and also has got cool surface, and two stainless steel strips with good quality anti-finger stainless steel finish with nice metal knobs and designer sleek stainless steel handle. The capacity of this oven is 65 liters. It's got a wide cooking area. Supplied with two oven trays with large surface area and with the telescopic arms for practical cooking. It's got catalytic panels for easier cleaning, and the internal door is full glass, triple glazed for lower surface temperatures, and the glass is easily removable for cleaning. It's got a touch control electronic programmer with a red display, and it is a full 8-function multifunction oven with fan function and various combination of static cooking. The maximum temperature on this oven can be 260 degrees, and on the programmer you can program start and end of cooking. There is a large range of 60 centimeter built-in ovens in our range. For more information about this and other models, please visit www.montani.eu.